Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious macarons using all-purpose flour. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring your egg whites are at room temperature for optimal volume. Sift your dry ingredients, including the all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, and any colorings, multiple times to eliminate lumps. This crucial step helps achieve that signature smooth macaron shell. Prepare your baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone mats, ready for piping. Getting these initial steps right sets you up for success. Next, we'll focus on the macaronage, the art of mixing your batter. Gently fold the dry ingredients into your meringue until the mixture flows like slow-moving lava. This ribbon stage is key. Undermixing results in lumpy shells, while overmixing creates flat ones. Transfer your batter to a piping bag fitted with a round tip. Pipe uniform circles onto your prepared baking sheets, leaving a small space between each. Finally, firmly tap the baking sheets on your counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles. Now comes the resting phase, which is vital for developing the macaron feet. Let your piped shells sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes, or until a slight skin forms on top. You should be able to gently touch them without any batter sticking to your finger. Preheat your oven to a low temperature, around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the macarons for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, rotating the tray halfway through. Once baked, let them cool completely on the tray before handling to prevent breakage. Finally, it's time for the most exciting part, filling your beautiful macaron shells. Once completely cooled, pair up shells of similar size. You can fill them with your favorite buttercream, ganache, or fruit curd. Pipe a generous dollop onto one shell and gently sandwich it with another. These delicate treats are best enjoyed after maturing in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours, allowing the flavors to meld. Store your finished macarons in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days. Check the description for a link to these leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.